Hi Denise, I'm a longtime fan of yours and I'm wondering, what is your favorite workout?
I love all kinds of workouts. Variety is the key. I mix it up all the time, and that's why I feel so good. I do a little cardio, so sometimes it's a walk, indoor cycling. I love any types of cardio. Some HIIT, dance, aerobic workouts. And then I always do toning, because toning is what's going to firm up our 640 muscles. So I switch it up. I do a little Pilates, a little weight training, and then of course I love yoga. Yoga is one of my favorite workouts, and I have all kinds of different workouts on my website at deniseaustin.com that you will love. You can mix it up, over 120 different variety workouts. You can do it. Keep fit, because you are worth it.